Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram close friends features, or how do you gather your friends together in one place on Instagram. Just add them together as a close friend. You'll be able to see their posts, their story, their reel very fast. So let's get started. You open your Instagram, the next thing is
Let's go.
you can click on your profile picture here, and the next thing is click on the three line and you scroll down till you find this picture. This is your close friend. Click on the close friend. Now you're going to search. Just select your friends, and note guys, Instagram will not send anybody that you have chosen as your close friend, so that don't panic. Now once you're done, just select randomly. Once you're done, click on done. Once you click on done, you can say you have take your close friend features. It's very simple and nice. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.